How to earn coins on Cointiply for beginners. If you are new to Cointiply, this walkthrough shows how to start earning coins step by step. After logging in, head to the dashboard where you will see multiple earning options listed clearly. Start with simple activities like surveys, offer walls, and the faucet, which are beginner friendly and easy to understand. Click on any earning section to open available task. Each task shows how many coins you will earn and what action is required. Complete the task fully and wait for confirmation before moving on. Your coin balance updates in the top section once rewards are credited. Start with smaller tasks first to learn how rewards track before spending time on high effort offers. Which earning method are you planning to try first? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can earn coins on Cointiply for beginners. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.